welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 1st of January 2021 and currently time is 9:15 AM. So traders, I wish you all a very happy new year and may God you become a successful trader and we will learn together. Okay traders, so now coming on to our today's watch list. So traders, today we are having HDFC Life, Adani Port, Nalco, Power Grid, Grasim and Hero MotoCorp. So traders, these stocks I have already uploaded on my Instagram handle where I upload daily analysis a previous day before the market opens. So you can check it out on my Instagram also traders. Okay traders, so from today traders, I am starting to do live intraday trading. Okay traders, so what new thing which we will see is that I will try to take 2 trades in a day by maintaining our maximum risk appetite for a day is 100 rupees. So in a day traders, I will take a maximum risk of 50 rupees. Traders, why I am not taking risk of a lot money? Because now we are in learning phase. We are trying to learn. Now we are not here to earn. Okay traders, so currently we are learning, so I will take maximum risk of 100 rupees on daily basis and 50 rupees on per trade. So traders, this was our watch list and now I am pausing the video, and when I will take any trade traders, I will update you. So traders, I have taken a trade in HDFC Life. Here you can see where we are trying to get risk reward ratio of 1:2. Okay traders, this is our target and here is our stop loss. Traders, you might be seeing here that there is no position showing currently in this. So traders, I have stopped doing paper trading. I have taken a trade in my mobile application. So when this trade will get closed, I will show that into you on my terminal. Okay traders, so this is the target and stop loss which I am trying to get, and let's wait for it. It is very near to our stop loss, but then okay, we will wait for it to show some momentum. Okay traders, so when it will hit our target or a stop loss, I will update you. So traders, here you can see firstly I took the trade here and our stop loss was got triggered. Again I have taken an entry in the same stock for the same target. Okay traders, and here you can see this is the second trade. So this is also going on traders, and now let's see what happens. First our stop loss was got triggered, now the second trade is going on. Okay traders, now let's see what happens here. So traders, I hope this should give a good momentum towards our target and should result in profit. So traders, let's see, the trade is going on and I will update you after some time when it will show some momentum. So traders, here you can see this is our second trade. The market is showing a consolidation from the morning only and we are waiting from morning, and you can see our stop loss not has been yet triggered traders, but now I want to exit the trade, and as I have to do some more things also. I can't wait whole day for the target or stop loss to get triggered, and I cannot also watch screen whole day. So now I am exiting my trade at the market price, accepting the loss which is showing it now. So traders, this is my position. Here you can see it is now showing currently loss of 45 rupees. I have refreshed it and Let me again open the positions. Okay, so now it's showing 45. So I am exiting my trade. Here you can see traders. No such momentum has been seen today. So I am exiting my trade. Here you can see traders. Yes. Confirm. Now I have to cancel my orders also. But before, let me see if I have the position has been not squared off yet. Let me check what's the problem. So let me sell it. 6 quantities at market price. Traders, let me exit it. I am pausing the video. So traders, here you can see I have exited my position today. Unfortunately, we have to book the loss, so it's okay. It's a part of trading. We accept it. We have not got a huge loss. We have only booked the loss of 46 rupees. Here you can see traders. That's okay. Part of the trading. So traders, this was the today's trade. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from this. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.